Come on, guys. What are you guys doing over there? What are you guys doing over there? What are you guys doing? Oh, it's the shaded area. Hey, Redford. He's a good boy, Redford. I just follow you around. You guys are good. You guys doing? You guys just hanging out in the shade? Hey, Redford. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Oh, it's more shade, huh? I know. It's hot outside. It's 100 and it's supposed to be 100 today out here where we live. What you doing up there, Redford? You getting ready to go take a potty? Might be poop time for Redford. It is poop time for Redford. Don't mean to be invading your privacy there, Redford. Sorry about that, fella. You know he's, cause his potty training's been going pretty good. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. He's a good boy, Redford. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? I know. It's the best shaded spot in the house or in the yard. So you can see it's actually pretty shaded over here, and over there it's hot. And it is it's pretty hot outside already. All right, guys, that's it. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Okay, guys, what are you guys doing? Where are you guys going? Come on, guys. They want to go back inside already. Puff, come on, bud. Come on, girl. Crystal. Okay, there you are. Come on. Let's go inside, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You too, girl. You too, girl. Okay, Redford. Hi, Redford. He's a good boy. Back in the house. Back in the house. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. See what I meant by having an extrovert personality? He's the only one of the 4 or 5 dogs that just came inside. He's the only one that stayed back to get attention from me. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.